I want to convert 7 paise into rupees. Now we know the conversion of rupees and paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. If I want to convert paise into rupees, if I want to go from this side to this side, I need to divide the paise by 100. I need to divide paise by 100. So 7 upon 100. Now 7 upon 100, if I want to write in decimal number format, we write 7 as it is. And we know if there are two zeros in the denominator, I need to have two digits after the decimal point. So I have one digit and I need to have one more digit here. So to have one more digit, we can add a 0 and we'll give a decimal. So we have 0.07 rupees. We have 0.07 rupees. I'll take one more example. So if I have 75 paise, we are moving from here to here, from paise to rupees. So from lower unit to higher unit. Whenever we are going from lower unit to higher unit, we need to divide. So I have to divide 75 by 100. Now, again I said, write the numerator as it is and count the number of zeros in the denominator. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. 2 zeros. So we need two digits after the decimal point. So we have one digit, two digits. So the decimal point should come here. That we have two digits after decimal point. So it is 0.75 rupees. For example, if I have 2035 paise and I want to convert them into rupees. Again, so let's take 2035 as it is and divide, because we are going from lower unit to higher unit, we need to divide by 100 because that's our conversion factor, 100. So we write this 2035 as it is, and we want that there should be two digits after the decimal point because there are two zeros here. So 1, 2, decimal point is going to come here. Let's do related to distance. If I walk 750 meters, how many kilometers I have walked? Kilometers. Now we know the conversion factor. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now we are going from lower unit to higher unit, so which means we have to divide this factor. So it will be 750 divided by 1000. Now we write 750 as it is. Now how many digits we want after decimal point? 3, because there are 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros in 1000. So we have to travel 3 digits. 1, 2, and 3. So the decimal point has to come here. So it will be 0.750. Let's express as rupees. 7 rupees 7 paise. We want to express as rupees. So this 7 is whole. So we can write this 7 as it is, and then we have a decimal point. Now we have to convert 7 paise into rupees. Paise into rupees, we have to divide 7 by 100. When we have this, what we get is we write 7 as it is. There are two zeros here, so there have to be two digits after the decimal point. So we have one, we want to add the second, and we give the decimal point 07. So the number converts into 7.07 rupees. We learned the concept, let's do it in proper steps. So now first convert 7 paise into rupees. So that is equal to 7 divided by 100, which is equal to 7, 0.07. And then add the whole 7 rupees. Hence, therefore, is equal to the whole 7 rupees as it is and the fraction part of paise. express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and we also know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So let's first convert centimeter into meter. So to convert centimeter into meter, what we need to do is equal to 5 upon 100 meter. 100 because the 100 is the conversion factor and we are going from smaller to bigger, so we have to divide. Now that will be represented as 5 as it is. We want two digits after decimal point because there are two zeros. So 1 and we add a 0, we flip decimal point. So it is 0.05 meter. We have to convert now 0.05 meter into kilometer. So what is the conversion between kilometer and meter? We see that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. How many zeros are there in 1000? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we have to move this decimal point 3 houses to the left. So I'll move 1 here, but there is no more houses, so I can add number of zeros here. Let me add 0, 0, 0. I can add any number of zeros. So I made 1 here, then I move 2 houses, then I move 3 houses. So my decimal point is going to move here. So it will become 0.00005 kilometers. So division, we are going to learn about it later, but for conversion, please remember that whenever you are converting from smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to move your decimal point towards left hand side. Let's take one more example to make it more clear. Convert 35 millimeter in centimeter, meter and kilometer. To convert into centimeter, write 35 as it is. Now we know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So what is the conversion factor? 10, which is 10. So the decimal point has to move. In a whole, decimal point is always at this place after the number. This has to move one house this side because there is 10 in the conversion. So it will move to 3.5 centimeter. Now if I want to convert into centimeter to meter, then 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So there are two zeros, means I have to move two houses to the left. Now I'll put somehow more zeros to the left just to ensure that I don't run out of numbers. So I have to move two houses. So I move one house, I come here. I move two house, I come here. So it will be 0.035 meter. Now moving from meters to kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So we have in meters, 1000 has how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we have to move three houses. 1, 2, 3. So the zero will come here. So it will be 0.123 and 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 35 kilometers. This will be more clear to you when we learn the division of decimals. Shama bought 5 kg 300 gram apples, 3 kg 250 gram mangoes, and Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? So first, let's add what Shama bought. Shama has bought 5 kg 300 grams of apple. This can also be written as 5.300 kg apple. She bought 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. It can be written as 3.250 kg. So total fruits equal to 5.300 plus 3.250. Okay, we have to do that vertically to ensure that we have aligned the decimal point. So align 250 and 3. We'll add them 0, 5, 5, 8. So the total steel bought is 8.550 kilograms of fruit. That is what Sham has done. Now let's find what Sarla has bought. Sarla has bought 4 kilograms, 800 grams oranges. That is converted as 4.800 kilograms oranges. He also bought and 150 gram bananas. Okay, that is equal to 4.150 kilogram of bananas. So what is total she has got? Is equal to 4.800 plus 4.150. Let's do that in a vertical fashion. The total she bought is 8.950 kilograms of food. Now we need to find is who bought more. Let's compare these numbers. Whole is same both sides. So now we need to look at the decimal side. First, we need to find the number of digits 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. So we can compare without the decimal point. So 8550 and 8950. Which is greater? Obviously, this is greater. Therefore, 8.550 is smaller than 8.950. And hence,
for a complete understanding of fractions and decimals, do watch our other videos on this topic. We'll come back with another video in short time. Till then, goodbye.